Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to download a Windows 11 ISO or Windows 10 ISO in from online from Microsoft themselves. Okay, so this will be the full ISO where you can install it on any computer. Okay, so you're going to go into your browser. I'm going to choose Google Chrome. Okay, and then I'm going to type in this video, for example purposes, I'm going to download Windows 11. So just type in Windows 11 ISO, search for that, and Microsoft should be the first link. Click on download Windows 11, and here you can say it will say the create a Windows Media installation media or download Windows 11 disk image. I'm just going to download the ISO file, so just click on that and click on download now. Okay, it will say to choose a time and language. So I'm just going to find for English, United States. Okay, confirm, load. Okay, and you should say the time. Just click on 64-bit download, and there Windows should start downloading. So you should have Windows 11 here downloading. If you want to download Windows 10, same process. Okay, I'm just going to open a new tab. Here I'm going to search for Windows 10 ISO. Open that, and the first link should be download Windows 10 disk image file ISO for Microsoft. Open that. Okay, so here it will be a little bit different for Windows 10. Okay, just going to click on download tool now, create Windows 10 installation media. Click download tool now. Sorry, so I'm just going to cancel the Windows 10 for now. Okay, so once this is downloaded, you're going to open that, launch that, click on yes. Okay, getting a few things ready. Just let it load, let it take the time. Okay guys, so once you're here, just going to click on accept. Get a few things ready. Just let it load, let it load. This is to just download the you can use this tool to download Windows 10 ISO only, or to straight create your Windows 10 bootable drive. But for this video purposes, I'm just going to teach you on how to download the ISO only. So just let it load. It's taking a while, so let it load. So you can see it says upgrade this PC now or create installation media. So I'm just going to click on the second one because I want the ISO file. Click on next, and here you can uncheck this and you can click on both. So this ISO file will allow you to install both 32-bit and 64-bit version. It'll give you an option. So I would like to choose both. Okay, make sure this is set as default. Click on next, click on ISO file, next, and then here it'll ask you to save your ISO file. So I'm just going to click on desktop, save. It should say getting a few things ready, and yeah, it should start downloading Windows 10. So it's a very simple process guys, and that's how to download Windows 10 and 11 ISO files. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching folks.